Hey guys, Rui here with another video for Blender. This one I want to show you something cool with cursor. So I'm going to select the vert and Shift Control B that to bevel it. And then you can see that if I go to object mode, you can see that this cursor orientation, by looking at these axes on the cursor, is oriented to the global orientation of the world. But what if you wanted to align it with this edge here? Now you can do that by going to T panel and clicking on cursor, then going to End panel and going to Tools, View, and Geometry, and clicking on that cube, on that face. Now I'll switch to the tweak version here, or option, and now this can be very useful, for example, for adding other elements to that triangle here that will follow the orientation. But if you want to do that, by using default Blender settings, it will not work very well, because by default any object added to the scene is going to be oriented to the global orientation. But you can change that by going to Preferences, Edit, right, and here under New Object you can tell them to be aligned to the cursor. Save Preferences and you're done. And if you're going to add a new object now, you see it's going to be oriented to the cursor orientation, so you can do something like this, right? So that's it for this one. If you would like to learn more about Blender, there is a really cool free ebook that we have on our Blender Bros website, link in the video description, so go ahead and grab it. And also we have a fantastic course with 500 tips for Blender, and very soon there might be some update coming for that course, so why don't you grab it if you enjoy the kind of thing. Thanks for watching, see you later.